The Supreme Court effectively struck down a woman's constitutional right to an abortion. What will the monumental decision mean for other high court rulings that appear to be decided law?
Fox 5's Christopher King speaks with a constitutional law expert on what the landmark ruling would mean for high-profile issues, other issues. Christopher?
Courtney, Justice Clarence Thomas is urging his colleagues to revisit other major rulings like same-sex marriage, the decision striking down laws criminalizing gay sex, and the right to use contraception. I speak with a constitutional law expert. He says today's ruling means what appeared to be guaranteed constitutional rights are not necessarily guaranteed.
This is hugely monumental.
The Supreme Court effectively strikes down a woman's constitutional right to an abortion, sparking protests and raising questions on what the landmark ruling will mean for other high court decisions that appeared to be settled long ago.
If it shows us anything, it's that no constitutional right is set in stone.
Justice Clarence Thomas now writing justices should reopen other cases built on similar legal grounds.
Are Supreme Court rulings on same-sex marriage, gay sex, or the use of contraceptives in danger of being overturned?
Yes.
Professor Shlomo Pill is a senior lecturer at Emory's Law School.
We could imagine a world in which those other rights are in danger.
He says cases that guarantee the right to same-sex marriage, consensual same-sex relations, and access to contraception don't appear to be in immediate danger.
So this is the big open question that remains to be seen.
But they eventually could end up in constitutional crosshairs.
The fallout of this ruling could be quite dramatic. It's all a function of how the court, but also how we, the American people collectively, are willing to interpret and construe the Constitution.
Professor Pill also tells Fox 5 this ruling is unlike any other that overturned any other ruling that was overturned in the past, that overturned long-standing precedents. Why? He says this decision takes away an established and guaranteed right. From the live news desk, Christopher King, Fox 5 News.
Christopher, thanks.